guys, in this video I'm just going to quickly go over what I'm doing to this 60 series to protect the frame from future rusting. Unfortunately, can't get inside the frame rails with the sandblaster, so I'm doing the best I can to hopefully stop the rust and keep it at bay. So what I've done, the first thing I did was I pressure washed the inside of the frame to get all the dirt and grime and rust out of there. And what I've just finished doing here is I've got a weed sprayer essentially, and I've got some Ospho, put it in, and I went through all the holes and I sprayed the Ospho in everywhere. Got the wand in here, as far as I could go in either direction, and basically sprayed in Ospho, and it's all dripping out the drain holes. And that's another thing, make sure all the drain holes underneath the frame rail aren't plugged up, so that if any water does get in there, it can drain out easily. So once this is dried for a couple days, I'm going to go in there with some fluid film and I'm going to spray the inside of the channel with fluid film and give it a good coating. So this frame was sandblasted on the outside and powder coated. Unfortunately, the job wasn't done very well, so there is some surface rust showing up on the outside in some places already. But anyways, this is what I'm doing to take care of the inside of the frame. So hopefully this helps you. And yeah, I'll show you in a few seconds here for you, but in reality for me in a couple of days, what it looks like to coat the inside with fluid film. Hey guys, so I'm back. I've finished Osphoing the frame on the white 60 series. Now I'm going to fluid film the inside of the frame rail. I've got this adapter for the fluid film can. At the end of the hose, there's a little nozzle that sprays 360 degrees. The original nozzle is right here. Just pull that guy off, put this guy on. I ordered this on eBay years ago, and you can still order them, because I did order a couple extras because I thought I lost this one. Anyway, so now I have 3 of these. So I'm going to fluid film the frame, and you'll see me doing that. I probably won't talk because it's quite windy outside, which is why I'm doing the video inside right now. So let's get to fluid filming the frame. Hey guys, so I got the can of fluid film with the hose attachment, and essentially I'm just going to go into all the holes in the frame. Some you can access from the side. In some cases you'll go into bolt holes on the bottom of the frame, or you'll go into holes on the inside of the frame. But there's lots of access holes. There's a hole here, there's a hole here, there's holes all along the frame, so it's not hard to get this hose in all the way. And then you're just going to spray. You're going to insert the hose, spray as you pull it out, and that's it, and just go through the whole frame rail. In addition, you can also do areas of the body, such as this area here. You just pull the plug off and you fish your hose in all the way in, spray as you pull it out. So I fluid filmed as much as I could, but then I ended up running out. I came upon this rust cure stuff recently, and it seems to have pretty good reviews. So I basically finished up the frame with this rust cure, and then I had some factory Toyota. These are Toyota frame plugs. I don't know if they're specifically designed for the 60 series, but I put them in on my other 60 12 years ago on the rear frame, just like I did here, to keep any junk from going into the frame rails at the rear. Anyways, so that's the video. Hopefully it helps you. And once again, if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you like this video, please like it.